Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're testing out a liquid lipstick that promises to stand the test of time. If you're tired of constant touch-ups and want a lipstick that actually stays put without compromising comfort, you're going to want to stick around. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this one. Now, let's talk about the KIKO Milano Lasting Matte Veil Liquid Lip Color in the shade Universal Mauve. This liquid lipstick is designed for long-lasting wear with a matte finish, ideal for those of us who need a reliable lip color that won't fade or crack. The promise here is impressive. It offers a light-as-air texture that feels weightless and won't dry out your lips. In terms of key features, it has a liquid formula that dries down to a matte finish, perfect for those who love a bold, matte lip but often struggle with uncomfortable dryness. The staying power is another highlight, making this a go-to option for busy days when you don't have time for touch-ups. I've been using this product for a couple of weeks now to really test its claims, and here's how it performs. First off, the application was smooth, no streaking or uneven patches. I was a little concerned about the light-as-air claim, but the texture really does feel almost weightless, which is a nice surprise for a matte formula. I wore it during an entire workday, and I didn't have to reapply once. Even after a coffee break and a few snacks, the color remained intact. One thing I appreciated was the comfort level. Unlike many matte lipsticks that can feel drying, the KIKO Milano Lasting Matte Veil Liquid Lip Color kept my lips feeling hydrated and smooth. I didn't notice any cracking or uncomfortable tightness throughout the day, which is often a deal breaker for me. That said, while the formula lives up to its promise of longevity, I did notice a slight issue when it came to removing it at the end of the day. It took a little extra effort to get it off completely, so if you plan on wearing this all day, be sure to have a good makeup remover on hand. In terms of pros, the staying power is excellent. The texture is incredibly lightweight, and the shade Universal Mauve is flattering for a variety of skin tones. The matte finish is bold without being too harsh, which I love. On the downside, the removal process could be a little more straightforward, and for those who prefer a more hydrating finish, this might not be the right product for you. As for value, it's priced reasonably for what it offers. Given the quality of the product and its performance, I think the price point is justified. It stands out in the market for its matte finish and long-lasting wear without the typical discomfort that comes with many matte formulas. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of other liquid lipsticks in the market that offer long-lasting formulas. But what sets KIKO Milano apart is its combination of comfort and durability. While there are cheaper options out there, this one delivers more in terms of feel and staying power, making it worth the price for those who need a reliable all-day lipstick. When it comes to the build quality, I'm impressed with the packaging. It feels solid and looks sleek, definitely something you'd want to carry around in your bag. The product inside also holds up well, with no signs of drying out or separating after weeks of use. To wrap up, the KIKO Milano Lasting Matte Veil Liquid Lip Color in Universal Mauve is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a dependable, comfortable, and long-lasting lipstick. It's perfect for busy days when you want to apply it once and forget about it. If you're looking for a matte finish that doesn't compromise on comfort, I think you'll really appreciate this formula. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And if you want to grab it for yourself, you can find the link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.